19 new imported cases of COVID-19 were announced on Wednesday, including 4 more students from the same UK university as a previous case. Taiwan officials are now advising all large gatherings defined as over 100 people in an indoor space or 500 people outdoors.
Health Minister Chen Shih-chung said he hopes to gradually tighten social distancing rules so Taiwan can adapt to a new lifestyle. Addressing the case of a student caught holding a party during home quarantine, Chen denounced the action as reckless, tactless, and unacceptable.
我们要公布的有19个境外移入的个案，没有本土的个案。
19 new cases of COVID-19 were announced today. All are imported. Most are young people who arrived in the last few days.
这19个境外移入的个案
These 19 cases consist of 7 males and 12 females, aged from 10 to over 60. Most are in younger age groups.
15 of the patients have returned from the UK or US. 4 students from the same British university as an earlier patient, number 152. They are believed to be part of one campus cluster. Meanwhile, 1 more member of an Egyptian tour group has been diagnosed, bringing the cluster total to 10 patients. Although the community infection rate is low, the Central Epidemic Command Center has taken the step of advising against large gatherings. That means an indoor event of 100 people or an outdoor event of 500 people. The aim is to eliminate any risk of community transmission.
那我们就希望说，经过这样的慢慢的这样的缩减。
We hope to gradually add to the guidance so that people can gradually get used to a new lifestyle. Someone asked me if they can still get married. I said, of course you can. It's only a meeting of 2 people, isn't it? But I don't think you should hold a wedding ceremony with a big banquet and lots of guests squeezed together.
Recently, a student who just returned from the US made headlines by holding a party while in mandatory home quarantine. The management of his residential building alerted police. Chen was visibly angry as he addressed the topic.
一个是不怕死，一个是不识相。
It's reckless and it's also tactless. You're putting your friends in a dangerous situation. The guests are also such events are strictly forbidden. Of course, one-off, limited visits are not banned, but to hold an event in isolation and call it a party is just unacceptable.
The command center statistics show more than 80,000 people are currently in home quarantine. Nationwide, 229 people have been fined for violating quarantine rules, with over 18 million NT being collected. Taipei boasts the most infractions, with 69 people caught. But the highest single fine was doled out to a new Taipei resident, almost 3.2 million NT.